Hello, my name is Mandy Borsico, and welcome to my atelier, Mandy Borsico Atelier. This course is called Learn to Draw, and it's our very beginner's course. It's the fundamental building blocks of all things classical. Classical drawing, classical painting, classical constructive drawing, classical sculpture. This is where we start. In my years of teaching, this has been the course that's been the most popular, and hundreds of students have taken this course. Normally in my atelier, it's an 8-week course, but you have as much time as you like within a 1-year time frame from the time of purchase to submit all your assignments. Once all your assignments are submitted, you'll get a certificate of completion. There are 8 sections in this course, and each section is a different topic. We start with line and then move to shape, and then form, and then perspective, everyone's favorite. And then we move on to the fun things, shadow, value, and then finished drawings. So natural forms, that is organic forms, and man-made forms, that is inorganic forms. In each section, there's a presentation that explains the topic. And then the second lesson is your practice exercises, all the things that you can do to practice on your own. The third lesson in each section will be the assignments. Those are the things that I would like you to hand in to me. I'll show you how to do them, and in some cases they're downloadable PDFs, and in some cases you're required to just draw by following along the videos. I would like you to take your time to review the videos to really understand the material presented and to do as much practice as you can. This is what sets my courses apart from others, that I actually give you video feedback. I'll send you a video critique for all your assignments. Have fun, learn well. I look forward to hearing from you and I look forward to seeing your assignments.